If you have an itchy, stinging, reactive scalp and you like do-it-yourself treatments, then this is for you. This is not a substitute for medical advice. If you have a new or chronic scalp problem, see your healthcare provider. If you have an irritated scalp or a form of eczema like seborrheic dermatitis, kefir might help. Here's a quick background. Kefir is a fermented dairy product that is full of probiotics and widely available. It's like yogurt, except it contains more species of beneficial microbes. It has anti-inflammatory properties in the body overall. And if you're allergic to dairy, this might not be for you. Here's what to do. Dilute plain, unsweetened kefir in water. Start with 2 or 3 parts water to 1 part kefir. I like a 1-to-1 kefir water mixture, but try a more dilute mixture first. It can be quite acidic, so it's best not to use kefir undiluted on your skin. Apply it to your scalp, massage it in, and leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse, cleanse, and condition your hair. You apply this in small drops along your part and massage it in. Part your hair in lots of different places to apply. Remember, this is a scalp treatment, not a hair treatment. Small drops. You might try using this once a week or every 2 to 3 weeks. If this irritates your skin, either stop using it altogether or dilute it a little more and see what agrees with your skin. Check out my blog for in-depth information on this issue and follow me for more practical scientific information on hair and scalp.